All right, so welcome back to today's episode of What's Bias for this week. So we are looking at what bias for gold for this week, and today we're going to be looking at this is just the first week of March, right? Friday was actually the first of March, and nothing, not much activities in the past week to look forward to. So this week, as we enter into the very, very, very meat of the first week of March, a whole lot is expected. But gold surprised everybody on the first, on Friday. Gold surprised everybody by recording a more than 2 months high. In fact, it beats the high of February and January put together by climbing up to 2088, right? And that shook a lot of people. Many never really anticipated that coming. Okay, so let's look at what to expect this very week. And uh, first of all, maybe we want to just quickly do a very quick recap for the month of February. If you look at February for gold, this is everything is still pointing upwards, no doubt. Gold is still bullish. Look at the market structure, everything is still bullish. All right, we still have a series of higher highs and higher lows in the structure. Okay, so now in the month of February, we have like a hammer here formed. All right, yes, it was a lower low and lower high, but it's closed with a hammer. And the new month began on the very first day with this bullish move. This is amazing. All right, so we're going to look at what we should expect from gold this month. So if we go by this, for the month, we may want to likely just just draw something to help. Maybe we could just have something like this, but then that's not what we want to just take it one piece, 1 week at a time. So we are on the weekly time frame. So I go to the weekly time frame for gold, and the structure is still bullish. And if you look at the immediate candle for the week that just ended, it has a higher high and a higher low. So apparently we're expecting a new high and a new low for this week. That's a higher high and a higher low. That's a continuation pattern because February actually beat January to it with a higher high and a higher low, and March just began by poop. But then let's look at what to expect. So bias, we are bullish for gold this week, right? All right, so I'm going to pull in the go to the 4 hours time frame, all right, and then we'll pull in Fibonacci retracement tool to see what we can expect. All right, so we are going to be running it from the high of last week to the low of the week. I think we can run it from there. That could suffice, right? So let's take it from there because it's high enough. And look at the 50% replacement here is at 2056.39. And let's go to I've already done the pivot points analysis for the week for gold. And if you look at that, the weekly pivot point will be at 2065.02. This is the floor pivot point, 2065.02. And if we will take that, let me quickly copy that. Let's see if we can fix it in here. Let me bring this in, just to guide us. All right, so I'm going to change the color of that to this. Okay, spring green. Okay, so this is where we'll be looking at the weekly pivot point as 2065.02, and the 50% retracement is around 2056. Okay, so what should we be expecting with that? So price likely, if it comes here, test this, bounces back up. So some can actually scalp as price reaches down here because there's a confluence there between 61.8, which is at 2063, and 2065. So here you could just pick some buy and allow price go up. Then if it makes its way back to 2056, then we'll be good to go. Because if you look at the first support level is at 2041.74, 2041. That's somewhere around here. That will be around below the 20, that's 38.2 retracement level. So for gold, we are going to be looking for opportunities to buy in the coming week, but then we have to be taking it on a day-to-day basis. So that's why we're going to be, we just pick the, these levels, and then we go back to the daily time frames, rather to the daily pivot points rather, and begin to find confidence, with the moving averages, with the key levels, and all of that. So based on that, we are going to be coming up with daily signals. So there won't be any signal on this particular analysis here. So this is just what to expect, all right, for gold this week. We are expecting it's a bullish week for us, and as the market unfolds, on a daily basis, we'll be checking out to drop the signals as the market resumes. So giving signal at this point may not really work for us. So, but then be bullish this coming week. Trade to win. I'm Ifeanyi signing off. Thank you.